Hi, here we have two tacho gauges from Mazda RX-7 FD model. The one on the left, the black dial, is a fully working and operational and calibrated tacho. The one on the right, the electronics that drives it has failed. So I'm trying to make sure I find a way of replacing the driver electronics with something modern that won't be so prone to failure. This is the driver module for the white dial, which has failed due to temperature sensitivity of the chip. This is quite common, I'm finding. So trying to find a replacement, I've now developed this Arduino software controlled module on the right and a driver chip on the left. And these are driving the white dial. They've been driven by a tacho signal generator simulator, not terribly stable, so it does cause a little bit of glitching of the signal. Not sure if it's realistic or not in the real environment, but it's close enough for testing purposes. Anyway, as you can see, both are reading pretty accurately to within maybe 100 revs or less. And let's just turn the speed up a bit. And I say the one on the left is OEM, the same signal is driving both, simulating the engine output. And let's just turn the speed up a bit. Here we go, and take it up to max. As you can see, again, the calibration is not quite there yet, but pretty close. We take it back down to say 8, thereabouts. Yeah, bit more twitching from the one on the right. That's I need to do something with the software, tweak it slightly. That's purely because my generator has got a bit of twitch in the signal. Obviously, the OEM one damps out quite nicely. The new one under development doesn't quite do that yet. If we turn the speed right down, let's have a look. Around 3,000 level again, you see the calibration pretty good. Down to 2,000 again, not bad at all. So a bit more work to do, but good progress so far. Thanks for watching.